Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2007 Mercedes C230 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here, this menu button, these arrows, and this button over here on the left side. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. That's the second click. As you can see, service B is due in 27 days. So we're gonna go ahead and press the menu button, and we're gonna go search for a mile, which is we already there, but if not, then just press it and go find it, just like that. Okay, now use the arrows up or down to go find this service B. Now press and hold this button right here for approximately 3-4 seconds. This will come up, let go, service interval. Press and hold again for another 3 seconds to reset that. And there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.